All right, thanks for staying tuned this afternoon. And 2 weeks into the month of March, it's probably a good idea to look at the normal highs and lows for Cedar Rapids. In fact, today's normal high is 45 with a normal low of 26, and we'll be right around that area today, so it'll be very March-like if you head outside. Another March-like thing is the river flooding across the area. In fact, many counties, especially in the southern part of the viewing area, are currently under flood warnings, and that's going to be something that we'll see continue into effect into the day tomorrow and probably beyond, as that snow continues to melt, and any rain we get will certainly aggravate any flooding concerns. So make sure to tune in again over the weekend and into the next week to find out new updated river stage information and anything you need to know if you're living along those rivers. Those rivers are being pushed up by the massive amount of snowfall that we've had this winter. In fact, it's a top 5 record snowfall for everywhere across the TV9 viewing area. Cedar Rapids is the highest ranked right now, tied with Iowa City actually at 3rd place. And Dubuque, with the most snow, is in 4th place, and Waterloo, 50.8 inches only, but that's still good for 5th place in their all-time records. So definitely an unusual winter this winter, and it's almost good to be into spring. Looking across TV9 viewing area right now, though, on pinpoint Doppler radar, just a few isolated showers south of Dubuque. Those are sliding off to the east and southeast throughout the day. In fact, they could develop anywhere in the TV9 viewing area. We could see a little isolated shower as you head through your afternoon. Right now, though, in Cedar Rapids, it's looking very nice and sunny. In fact, a couple breaks in the clouds and looking partly cloudy. Temperatures in Cedar Rapids, 44 degrees, Dubuque, 42, Iowa City, 46, and Waterloo, 38 degrees. Now, those temperatures are being kept down by the northerly winds we have across the viewing area right now. In fact, Vinton winds out of the north at 13 miles an hour, so it could be a little breezy, a little gusty this afternoon. Certainly keep those temperatures feeling a little cooler than they actually are. And looking across the nation, we have mostly clear conditions across the Midwest. In fact, you see those little isolated showers moving through Iowa, and our next system will be coming off the Rocky Mountains, off Denver into Kansas City, and that will be sliding off to our south in the day tomorrow. You can see that on our regional view. In fact, it's right off here towards Kansas already at noon today. As we head through the day tomorrow, we'll slide off to the south, and we'll be looking at an area of precipitation that could clip southwestern Iowa, but should stay out of the viewing area as we head through the day tomorrow. Pinpoint Futurecast will show that pretty well. In fact, it has those clouds overhead right now. And as we step through the day, those clouds will be continuing to move across the area, so partly sunny skies for most areas today. But if you look overnight towards our southwest, we have that area of precipitation, snow, maybe rain, could be either, in fact, and then that will slide off to the south. Down towards Mount Pleasant, maybe just a little slight chance of snow tomorrow morning, but really shouldn't be too big of a concern. Our first alert forecast includes this temperatures in the mid-40s across most areas, though warming as you head further south, 53 in Mount Pleasant. Cedar Rapids looking for a high today of 43 degrees with those isolated showers in the area. North winds 7 to 14 miles an hour. Tonight, the temperatures will drop back in the 20s, but still right around normal for this time of year, as I showed you at the top of the weather. And down towards the south, right around freezing in Mount Pleasant, 32. 29 in Iowa City overnight with an isolated rain or snow shower maybe if it comes in late enough at night. Northeast winds 6 to 12 miles an hour. The next couple of days are looking pretty nice. In fact, partly sunny skies, although a little bit chilly. However, looking towards St. Patrick's Day, unfortunately, we're looking at a slight chance of rain, maybe a few thunderstorms, in fact, with highs at 44. On the backside of that storm system, heading into the weekend, or heading into the middle of next week, you could see a little bit of snow on the back, in fact, so it's something to keep an eye on. Could be pushing up those seasonal totals just a little bit. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday looking much nicer as temperatures warm back to where they should be for this time of year.